And look at the size of this guy. He can't even get through the ropes. Khan Baba is here. My goodness.
Wait.
Khan Baba is in WRG. Khan Baba is here. Khan Baba is looking for a mic, and Khan Baba definitely has some words.
چیرته تللی دی کوم ځای ریسلینګ دی انګلیش خو یې ډېر ښایسته وایي
Oh my God.
بیگ شو بسئ او جان سینا
Khan
بسئ
Baba is in the ring and the crowd has just gone absolutely insane because everybody has just stepped up to the ring.
चैलेंजेस मिल रहे थे मैंने कहा आ जाओ कौन है जो दुनिया के ताकतवर तरीन इंसान को चैलेंज कर रहा है
His competition.
Oh, here we go. This is the guy who has been asking for a fight with Khan Baba for as long as I can remember. Rowdy Gawker is here with his entourage. Rowdy Gawker has been asking for Khan Baba for so long, ladies and gentlemen. He has been wanting Khan Baba in the ring for so long, and he finally gets his moment. He finally gets Khan Baba in the same ring as himself. He has run ruckshot at WRG, taking out fan favorite after fan favorite, and now Rowdy Gawker is here.
making his way to the ring weighing 90 kilograms the world silver medal grappling champion. His shirt says it all. No fear. Rowdy Gawker.
اوس به دې خوښ صبر وکړه
Oh my God! These guys absolutely staring a hole through each other. The first ever meeting of Rowdy Gawker and Khan Baba. My God, they're both in the ring. Oh, look at this. His
मैं भी बेचैनी से
आज तुम्हें बताएंगे हड्डियां कैसे तोड़ते हैं
oh my God.
अपने हड्डियां हाथों में ले जाओगे आप
ډوکي به وایي ځان سره لاس کې
बंदे
ویسي
लेके आए हो उसी पे तुम्हारा जनाजा जाएगा
Oh, Rowdy.
समझते क्या थे कि तुम 400 किलो आदमी 70 किलो के आदमी को 400 किलो के आदमी को चैलेंज
That's some quick maths right there, Daniel.
Scott Steiner-esque Mats.
ना तो मैं ग्रेट काली हूँ ना मैं वो दो लोग हूँ जो तुम्हारे डर के वजह से भाग गए मैं राउडी काका करूँ ये रिंग मेरा है ये लाहौर मेरा है मैं तुम्हें
लाहौर
बताऊंगा
है।
इसमें शक नहीं है कि तुम एक अच्छे पहलवान हो देखी तुम्हारी वीडियोस बल्कि इन सब से अच्छे हो लेकिन इसमें भी शक नहीं है कि तुम वर्ल्ड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मैन से मुकाबला नहीं कर सकती
अगर तुम
Khan Baba.
तो मेरी रिंग से जीत लो।
Oh, look at this. They're on him. They're on him now. Khan Baba. Oh, he takes out one of them. Oh, Khan Baba. Absolutely destroying them. Oh, look at that.
It's absolute mayhem in the ring there.
Oh, Rowdy
Gawker.
Rowdy Gawker.
Oh, no.
Gets him with a double drop kick. Oh, no.
خلک یې رانه خراب
Khan Baba's gonna stand tall, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Hard knife edge chop. Khan Baba making them all flee.
And now
Khan
he's
Baba.
out of the ring, man.
Khan Baba holding the center of the ring. He is, according to him, the world's strongest man. And that is Khan Baba, ladies and gentlemen.
Khan Baba has arrived at the WRG Championship Muqabla and he has roared. Wow. What a way to scare off your competition there.
5 people manhandled by this abomination, this creation of mankind, this absolute human specimen, this geographical anomaly.
بس خان بابا مو لیدلو نو ملګرو په لاهور کې ریسلینګ مسابقه وه او لس کسانې چپه کړل ویې والو لس ترې نه راتاو څوک یې یو خوا ویشتو څوک یې بل خوا ویشتلو یاره ډېر یو طاقتور انسان دی بس کله به دا داسې زیرپیراني کې راځي داسې مسلې به یې مونږ ګورو باډي به یې مونږ ګورو نور لاسونه پنجې خو یې غټې دي ښه ما ویل دا یوازې په خپله حجره کې رسلینګ کوي دا خو هلکه میدان ته هم ځي او رینګ کې هم دا د هغې یې نیسي او خلک را سملوي ویډیو در سره لایک کوئ نور هم ښایسته ویډیوګانې را روانې دي